Okay, this is a Sony Discman. Car Discman, I guess. Built in September of 1994. Here's the battery compartment. You got batteries inside of it. Rechargeable ones. I'm assuming this thing eats batteries up pretty quick. Also has a DC input, which I do not have. I have a 4.5 volt with that polarization. It's just that it doesn't work. Or I mean, well, it does work, but it just doesn't fit. So let's kick in some AC/DC live on this, and I'll show you the problem that it has. This has a lot of hours on it. Put that up there. So as you can see, it's going to start up. It's going to start spinning. It's going to get faster. And then it just dies without reading the disc. And I don't know if it's user error, and since I've never used a compact disc player similar to this one, I've never used one of the smaller ones. I just have like a boombox with a CD player on it. So I don't know if it's user error and I'm not clicking a button or doing a combination of buttons, or if it's broken. I guess I could watch a video on how to play one of these. But it was free from my grandpa, so that's a pretty cool find. My first real portable CD player. And one hypothesis is that, you know how it uses batteries and stuff. I wonder if this thing's become like a little bit power thirsty and inefficient and can't run off of batteries anymore and it needs that, or what. There's that side. Line output, volume, remote, and headphones. They have all that stuff. Most of the stuff I don't know what it means. I'm not really familiar with anything this new. So I just kind of wanted a little answer from the internet. If any of you guys know or have worked with these things, even if it's just like a thought of what it could be, I just kind of need some help. Thank you for watching, and thank you for helping. If you do, please comment below on some information.